So Max, we are going to be interviewing you. So, how is, you know that you're my most popular video yet, you know? How does it feel? Oh, so it feels good? Okay, so. Are you seriously leaving me like that? Oh, he's drinking water. Oh, he's coming back to me, so. Max. What do you want as our sub goal? Max! Max! Max, what do you want as our sub goal? Oh, so you want 30 subscribers? So, guys, Max wants to hit 30 subscribers. Maxie! Shush! You're making him go to me. Max! 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 Max, let's see if you know what I say in my videos. Okay, so we have 4 tasks to do. So, what do? Like, comment, subscribe, and Max, like, comment, and subscribe. And what's the other task? That's correct. Hit the bell notification. Okay, stop. And if you do hit that bell notification, what do you do when Max? What do you do when you get? Stop, Max. What do you do? What happens when you hit the bell notification?
You get a like.
Shh. That's true. You get a notification when every single video is uploaded. And yeah, so the doggy vlogs.
Hello.
And we got birds up in here. Hey guys, do you know what to do? So these are the 4 tasks. Like, comment, and what? Like, comment, and what?
Sit. Not happy.
That's right. So you gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And if you guys want to see more vlogs with that boy and these boys, well, this one's a girl and that one's a boy. So if you guys want to see another vlog of them, just hit that bell, subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a good day.